Hello, and in this video we are going to solve the screen shaking issue in After Effects. These are the common problem which we have generally faced whenever we import the screen recording clip into the After Effects. To solve this, follow my steps. First, you have to go to the composition setting, and inside the composition setting you have to change the number of frame rates as low as you can. Now you can play your video if you are not getting some issues right, so you have to change your number more. Make sure you have select the correct number so that your number can match the frame rates recorded by your screen recorder. We are going to discuss three way of solving this issue into the After Effect. As you can see, our issue is solving right now. So for that, for more accurate recording, you have to go with the perfect number. Here I keep 12 frame rates per second. Now you can see my screen shaking issue is completely gone. But whenever screen changes from one scene to another scene, it will show some issues um, which can be avoided by these numbers. And this is the first way to solve this screen shaking issue, and we are going to discuss the second case of this. How can we solve the issue of screen shaking? So for that, we need to go with the this our timeline, and inside on the time, click the right mouse button on your timeline. Here, there in this timeline you have to click your right mouse button and click on to the pre-compose, so that you can get your clip inside to the new composition. And here you have to click right mouse button again and click on time remapping and enable it, and make your clip into the half with these keyframes, and hold your main timeline and trim it to the composition area. And then you have to make this as short. You have to click onto the composition setting and make this composition into the half of it with but in this issue you don't need to change the frame rates per second. This can work when you convert your composition into the half. And this is the third case. If you have new editor, your screen recorder, you can uh, go to the preferences setting and change your frame rate per second of your screen recorder. And this is how you can make this happen. And subscribe to our channel, like, support, and hope you like it. Support us.